So, very good afternoon to you, sir.
Good
My
afternoon.
name is Nikita. I am from Rail Analysis. So, as you are aware that Rail Analysis is having its 7th Rail and Technology Conclave at Bharat Mandapam. So, please introduce yourself and give us a brief overview of your company product and what core offering you are offering to the railways.
Right. Thank you very much for having me here. So I represent ETMA Global. My name is Anirban Mazumdar. We work in the area of loading and material handling automation. This is a great platform actually, to introduce our solutions. So as you can see in the background, what we have done is we have developed the Vande Bharat freight trains platform. This is the first of its kind in the world that ICF Chennai has developed, and we have worked along with them to introduce to the Indian market. This is a new innovation, and we work in this kind of area where we bring in new technologies and new solutions to the industry.
All right. So, your booth has lot more tech on display. So, what are the main products you are offering and showcasing today, and where in the world currently being delivered?
Yeah, so you're right. There are lots of technologies. So here, what we have displayed is the pneumatic roller beds. We have skate and track solution. We have load plates and loadmatic solution. So these are different kind of applications depending on the requirement. These can be used in railway, air cargo, freight, and many other different kind of applications. We customize the solutions. Like in this case, we have done for Vande Bharat freight train, and these can be customized for many different kind of applications. These are also being used globally in Europe, Australia, as well as US and Japan.
All right. So, are you currently supplying your product to the global marketing and you're targeting an attractively servicing area? Which one is?
Yes. So, like I said, these have applications across the world with customization. Our products are deployed in Australia, in Southeast Asia, markets like Sri Lanka, and of course, Europe.
All right, that's great. So, how effectively has this platform been for business networking, lead generation, or brand visibility?
So I think it's a great platform wherein different organizations or companies working in this ecosystem come together. So what is really beneficial is that we also have vendors coming in who can see our products. We also have potential customers coming in, as well as the government organizations like IRCON, ICF, coach factories. They also get to see the new innovations. I think it's a great platform to showcase what we can do and also get information about our peers and our vendor ecosystem.
All right, that's really great. So, thank you so much for participation, and we will look forward to in future also.
Thank you
And
very
wishing
much.
you a well success in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Pleasure.